We are absolutely thrilled to introduce Chiptech's new Digital Dispersed Alarm to market. We call this 7. 7 combines the very best in connectivity resilience, user experience, safety and installation ease through our smart and unique innovations.
We set out to design the most robust digital alarm. 7 is launched with dual SIM as standard, offering a unique solution to connectivity without the need for Wi-Fi, Ethernet and without any additional costs. With a single SIM dispersed alarm, should the core network provider fail, the alarm cannot route or connect to one of the local networks such as EE, Vodafone, O2 or 3. Chiptech 7 removes this single point of failure, providing 2 SIMs as standard and therefore 2 different core networks that offer paths to these local networks. If one core network fails, then 7 can use the diversion route through the secondary SIM to roam, access a local network and send that alarm through to the monitoring provider. With this 2 SIM solution, Chiptech 7 is the most robust and resilient digital alarm on the market, and we are delighted to be able to offer this without any additional costs.
The amazing team at Chiptech have taken the experience from leading the digital shift in the UK, Australia and New Zealand, along with the feedback from our customers and partners, to provide a new base unit that raises the bar and sets new standards for connectivity and person-centred care.
With time pressures mounting and resources low, ease of installation is critical to a successful digital upgrade. EVA's much-loved voice-guided installation lives on in 7 to support installers, family and carers with safe, efficient and governed installation.
Hi, I am 7, your personal emergency response system. I am going to assist you with the install process.
Chiptech have enhanced the 7 to provide more support with independent living using the unique voice system. Examples of this are with the I'm OK checks.
Sending your daily check.
And with additional timed and pushed voice messages to help people keep routine and provide alerts, both friendly and informative.
It's now bedtime.
Daily examples would include it's dinner time or it's bedtime for those that may be living with memory loss. Pushed examples could include there's a weather warning, please be careful, or happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Chiptech's service goes well beyond product provision as we integrate into your team and processes to develop long-lasting partnerships. Our dedicated configuration engineers support you by completing first-level configuration, ID changes and testing to give you the confidence that your equipment is ready to install without the need for pre-installation configuration, saving you time and money and leaving your team with more time to do what matters most. Chiptech also continue to brand units for customers to promote the service and provide key contact information.
Chiptech combined digital expertise with person-centred customer service to develop long-lasting partnerships that span way beyond the digital shift. The innovations with 7 truly highlights Chiptech's double diamond philosophy, putting the issue needing to be solved and the impact on the service user at the heart of all development. 7's 4G dual SIM roaming connectivity is best in class and the most resilient in the market. Independent living features such as I'm OK, away mode, daily routine reminders and messaging service work great for independent living. Industry-leading 2-way 300-metre pendant range gives people confidence around the whole home and garden, and not forgetting the ability to pair Chiptech's GPS speech pendant Go for a unique and elegant one-pendant solution for at home and out in the community. Safety and ease of maintenance is also key, with heartbeats extending from base units to the peripherals, system notifications to keep the service user aware of changes to their system, emergency push notifications for critical alerts, and easy remote updates and swift reflashing for refurbishment and reconditioning. So contact us at Chiptech today to find out more about how 7 can support, enhance your digital transition.